What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house. Today I'm throwing my Black Widow spare, and then I'm going to change the color of this bowling ball. But first I'm going to show you guys what it does on the lanes without the color change. I mean, it is a plastic ball, so there's that.
Just like that. Call him Norm Duke.
Norm Duke is possibly the most versatile bowler of all time. Frank, who do you think the most versatile bowler of all time is?
Probably Simon.
Simon? Probably. All right, so the difference between that and this spare ball, they're both Visiballs made by Brunswick. However, the Black Widow actually has a core in it. It has the same core as those Black Widows, the 2.0, the hybrid that's just coming out. So it is gonna hook a little more. I'll show you that with this shot right here. Hopefully this one doesn't hook the same, so you don't call me a liar in the comments, but it should hook less. Well, I don't know if I missed, but it definitely hooked less. My normal plastic ball has nothing but filler material on the inside, and this Black Widow has a massive Black Widow core on the inside, so it at least tries to hook. Now, we're gonna give it some help. We're gonna change the color of it, and then not only should the core try and hook, but so should the cover.
A few moments later.
It is gritty. It feels like it's gonna hook a mile.
I can't believe a white ball.
Yeah, it's just a white ball. You see a little bit of the same ball. I'm gonna give myself a couple shots to try and line up with it, and then I'm gonna try and bowl a game and see if I can shoot 200. I'm just gonna play the same line I played before I did this. I know it's gonna hook a lot, but we'll see what it does. Might have to move the feet a little bit. I'll give myself like 3 more shots, and then I'm gonna bowl a whole game, and I'm going to shoot 200. Replay it later when I'm shooting 220. I don't know if I'm going the right direction.
I think you might have to go like help the twitch.
Maybe we'll try that next. I got 2 more shots, so.
200 is a lot.
Feels like I'm bowling on the lane with no oil again. You think 180? I bet I could pop 2. Spare game's gotta be good. I'm gonna move my feet like 3 to the right. This is the start of the game.
All right, let's go.
We're live.
When the lights come on.
When the lights come on, you know what they say. Pressure makes diamonds. And I'm still a piece of coal right now, but we're gonna get there. Oh boy. I am clutch. Starter off hot with a double. So Madison shows up, I start going Brooklyn. If you're gonna keep yelling at me, I'll just go Brooklyn again, fine. All right, let's get a little more accurate on this one maybe. Oh. Come on. This is impossible. You just bring out the best in me. I haven't missed since you've been down here. I'm also definitely gonna move my feet because it's not me, it's obviously the ball reaction. If I just throw my normal strike shot, that'll make that spare.
Actually, your best shot.
I know, I moved too deep. Bring it in. Bring it in.
42, your food is ready.
How was school? Was it good?
Good, yeah.
Shocker bowling practice is coming up. I hope Spencer's bowling on lane 3. Spares matter. Spares are the only thing that matters because it's the only way I'm getting to 200. That 3 and 2 might have been too big of a move. Go maybe 1 back to the left. Usually I try and make these videos a little more fun. I'm just trying my hardest
Order
to
number
get.
44, your food is ready.
I'm trying my hardest to get to 200. Am I bringing that ball to the U.S. Open? I'm honestly thinking, like, should I? Maybe. Oh boy. Okay, I can make that. That's a make. I got my hand a little around it so it hooked so hard, so early, and I knew out the gate when you heard me say, oh boy, it was going through the face. That spare was big time. We got 147 in the sixth. Not bad. Hi. It is so sensitive to the rotation at the bottom. Like if I rotate it a little bit or hit it a little hard, it's not like it's gonna hit the pocket. It's not gonna come close. Leave and makeables. That's what we're about. Extra focus today on the spares, like I said. That thing's peeling. Peel. Ryan, I got a ball for you to try out after just a couple shots, yeah. I want to see what you think of it. Oh boy. How does that not strike? If Madison was here, that was going flush. Flush Brooklyn. I'm just saying, we're sitting at 214 here in the 10th. Money. Easy. I told you to replay that clip when I was shooting 220. Replay it later when I'm shooting 220. Did I not? I would have made that one twice. Should I give Ryan my last shot of my game?
What's your YouTube channel?
Barnsey Bowling. Check it out.
They can't hear him, but put it down below.
Put it on the screen.
Okay, perfect.
Holy
Bowling.
cow.
It's a spare ball,
Oh, it's a spare ball.
but you can feel that it's got some texture to it. I could like rifle it up like 7. It's gonna hook a lot though. He loves it. Oh my God.
Yes.
And that's what you get when you go to Ryan's channel, Barnsey Bowling.
Yes, sir.
Lots of messengers. Lots of ball speed, a lot of messengers. And thank you guys for watching me shoot 226 with the help of roommate and friend Ryan. And we got 226, as promised, above 200 with the plastic ball that changes colors. So thanks for watching. Till the next one. Don't forget, click subscribe. See you guys on the next one.